Here at Paradise Valley High School, I think we offer such a diverse range of programs and opportunities for students, and that is what is drawing students from all over the valley. So for example, they can explore technical careers through the CREST program and different types of engineering. They can explore more types of hands-on careers through woodworking or auto shop. All of these different paths allow a child to really explore where they're passionate.
Do you have an interest in engineering, bioscience, or computer science? This is a really good place to start because it lets them sort of experience what they want to pursue in before actually entering college. It's always about making the students succeed. So I think coming to PV is a step towards success.
Any interest that you have or you can think of, there's something here you could pursue, and so it's really amazing to see that. And there's just a lot of opportunities for students in general.
I think the thing that makes Paradise Valley High School stand out from any other school is the diverse opportunities and student population. We want to do everything we can to have given them opportunities to experience here at this level what they think they're interested in so they know that they're prepared to move on to the next level.